Welcome to Sku Grid. In this video, we will discuss the costs associated with using buy box owner functions. In the previous video, we discussed what buy box owner is in Sku Grid and how it works. Since Sku Grid is performing extra checks and extra updating to keep your prices in line with your competition, there are additional costs that come along with using buy box owner features. Once you are logged into your Sku Grid account, click on Settings. Click Add Ons. Click Buy Box Owner. On this screen, you will see the costs for using Buy Box Owner. These are additional monthly recurring subscriptions that will need to be used in addition to your normal subscription for Sku Grid. As you can see, you can use Buy Box Owner for up to 800 items for as low as $9.94 per month. You can use it on up to 1,800 items for $29.94 per month, up to 3,000 items for $49.94 per month, up to 4,000 items for $69.94 per month, up to 10,000 items for $109.94 per month, up to 20,000 items for $209.94 per month, and on unlimited items for $309.94 per month. And remember, this is in addition to your normal Sku Grid subscription. If you are interested in using Buy Box Owner, please make a selection, and there are 3 payment options that will show below. You'll have the ability to proceed to PayPal, which will allow you to create the recurring subscription as a pre-approved payment plan in your PayPal account. For those that desire to pay based on an invoice, you can use the Request Invoice button. Enter your PayPal email address and an invoice will be emailed to you there. And lastly, there is a Pay Directly option that uses Stripe as the payment processor. This is for those who want to do a direct credit or debit card payment without needing PayPal. Once you've added a Buy Box Owner plan to your account, you'll be able to proceed with configuring your Buy Box Owner as shown in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.